How to fix unoriginal content strikes on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Now, in order to fix your problem, let's write TikTok a report. Tap on three-bar icon on your top right, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll at the bottom of the page and under Support and About, tap on Report a Problem. At this page, expand the option of Account and Profile, then tap on Profile Page. Here, tap on Other at the bottom of the page. It will show you an article of related questions, however, tap on No. Then tap on Need More Help. Then under your support tickets, write in your problem. At this page, you can simply type in what I wrote, and if you have the content screenshot of that original piece, then you can also add it by tapping on the galleries icon. Once done, tap on Submit. And all you have to do is wait for the system notification in your TikTok inbox, and they will make you a customized solution for your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.